Hello everyone, my name is Baze and today I'm going to be showing you all about how we do data entry. So first off, having a data entry role means that you go to the designated website to enter daily information of COVID-19 cases and deaths. The data is entered into an Excel sheet where you will find all the states in your region with each county. So if I go to the Excel sheet, as you see in this Excel sheet, there are only two regions, the mountains and Midwest showing up. Every Excel sheet is divided up into regions to stop the Excel sheet from lagging and to run it a lot smoother. However, this is an example and you might not be in these two regions. This is where we enter the confirmed cases, this is where we enter the probable cases, the confirmed death cases, and then the probable death cases. However, not every state will have probable deaths or cases. Now I'm going to be showing you what you should be doing on a daily basis step by step. However, again, depending on the states you are doing, some of these steps might be different for you, but you will learn them. If you ever come across a problem, question, or something new that's being reported by the state you are working on, you should make this known in your regional Slack channel first so the lead and other interns on your team is aware of this as well. So the first thing you can start out is by pulling open the COVID-19 admin page. These will be the only websites we use to enter data. So for column A, this is where all the states are listed, and this is the only state health department websites we use. Column B has the counties. These are the counties that we enter data separately from the state health department website as listed. Sometimes the county websites report higher numbers than the state websites do, so we use these county health department websites instead. We do this only for the counties listed on this page for each county. The third column states data lag. If it's marked as a no, this indicates that we have been entering data on the same day it was reported. Otherwise, indicates that we have been entering data on a lag. So for example, if I scroll down to Indiana, there's a 1-day data lag. So what this means is that we enter the data reported on the 25th under the 24th column in our data. This states if the data overwrites, if the historic data is reported, if the state has any probable cases. Like I said, not every state does report probable cases, if it's reporting residents and non-residents, and then other quirks includes other information that we might need to know to enter the data. So for example, if we go down to Illinois, it says for other quirks, Cook and Chicago County are added onto one cell. So we should add these two counties into one cell, and also that the probable cases are only updated on Fridays. So we should carry over the probables from the previous dates until the new totals are reported by the state. So let's say for data entry I wanted to do Wisconsin, and I click on the link to get to Wisconsin. So this link will bring me here, and if I scroll down, I see a table right here. And one of the first things I do when I get to the data is to check if the data has been updated to match today's date. So here it says it has been updated on November 28th, and today is November 28th, so I can continue to enter the data. You should always make sure of the data so we are entering the most recent numbers. Some states have tables that you can download for easier access to the data numbers. However, for those that do not, you will have to enter the data one by one. In Wisconsin, you can download the data from here. However, I will be showing you how to enter data if that wasn't available. So what I would do is I would go back to our Excel sheet. I would look for Wisconsin, and as you can see, if I scroll all the way down to the most recent date for entering data, I found Wisconsin. And so I would start from the beginning. So Adams County, I'd go back to my data. Adams County, so number of confirmed cases is 1,030, so I would go back, enter 1,030. Confirmed cases, and then I'd go to the probable cases, 73, enter 73, and then number of deaths is 7, enter, and then number of probable deaths is 1. The total listed here is adding the confirmed cases and the probable cases, and the total here is adding the confirmed deaths and the probable deaths. So what I did just now, I would do for every county listed under Wisconsin. Once I'm done entering the data for the state, I can go back to the website and compare the totals of cases and deaths to make sure everything I filled out was good. So if I go back, so these are the totals I have, and if I go back here, the total for Wisconsin, if I added this, confirmed cases and probable cases, I should get this number, and if I added this number and this number, I should get this number. If the totals do not match up, I would go back and double check your data. This helps find simple mistakes in the data. On some